The problem? Beware of gadgets in new cars. Touchscreens, voice commands, and hand gesture controls have replaced traditional knobs and buttons in today's cars. And although these features are designed to enhance the driving experience, they can also be risky. I'm Jane Ubel, and I want to welcome you to episode 27 of Throw Your Parents Under the Bus podcast. With me today is our ever-wise driving expert, Mike Peel. How you doing?
I'm good. Glad to be here.
All right. And our loyal seeker of student observations, Natasha Johnson. How are you?
Hey, doing good.
All right. 2025 is doing well for all of us so far.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, thanks for joining us as we discuss problems and solutions on managing new technologies in our cars. Natasha, what do you have for us today?
Yeah, so we had a listener write in recently, Linda. She was following up on our carbon monoxide video. She wanted to share the dangers of remote car starters. Linda says another concern is remote and phone starters. What if you start the wrong car? I was visiting at someone's home when I heard a car running. It turns out the husband wanted to warm his car up. He used the remote car start, forgot which car he had taken to work, and started the wrong car. Luckily, Linda heard it and she was able to run down to the garage and shut it off. She says a detector in the garage is a great idea.
Yeah, so guys, you need to just do that in the garage, and especially if you're in a cold climate. We normally don't start the car up to get it cooled off in hot weather to get the air conditioning, but in the cold weather, that warm up is key. And today you take this phone and you can start your car wherever. You could be on an airplane and start your car. So although this technology is cool, but I call it lazy, it's a dangerous thing. So, a couple of weeks ago, we did that podcast on the carbon monoxide in the garage, or the detector in the garage. Not even a bad idea to have. You can buy a cheap one and have it in your car. But if you haven't done that, do that, because if you have a tuck under garage, an attached garage, and that car is running for just a little bit in that garage, there is gases seeping into your house. Why wait till your carbon monoxide detector in the house goes off? Because now you've already infested the house. When you can simply have one right out in the garage, it's going to go off right there, and you're going to run down and they're going to see a car running. The hybrids are a big problem also in your garage. Not even with the remote start from the phone, because a hybrid car could be charged up. You get home late at night to go to bed, you drive in, and that car drives in on electricity or battery. And all of a sudden you close the door, you don't hear it. And I used to have a Toyota Prius in our driver's ed program, and you don't hear these things running. And you drive in, shut the car off. You might not even shut the car off, because you open the door, you get out of it, you go up, you go to bed, and all of a sudden when that battery goes down, guess what the car does? Automatically starts up and charges. So beware of that, folks. It's just a matter of another. Pretty soon we're going to have a checklist before we go to bed just on our car. So anyway, pay attention to that. Drive safe, ride safe, listen safe. We have a lot of information out there. So great topic to the mom who wrote in for that.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, that's great, Mike. We want to thank you all for joining us today, and we appreciate your watching our programs. And you can go to our website and check out our other podcasts, and also you can go to our YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/Drive Safe Ride Safe 1, which is the number 1, not the word. And of course, until next time, I want to say what?
Drive safe.
Ride safe.
.com.
I love it. We did it. See you, everybody. Bye.